How's it going, everyone? Since GME is pumping, I'm going to talk about some of the meme stocks that are going to get rallied here. So AMC, what I do like about this one's kind of my favorite one out of both, as this one didn't really get, a solid run at, that I think it can get way more. And if you're looking at it, we have lots of resistance right up in here with lots of upper wicks here. So what I'm looking for AMC is a pullback down to this EMA 20. And you can kind of see how on this is a weekly chart too. So this is a longer uptrend. This is more solid. So when price comes down to this EMA 20, you can really get price to get up from there. And we've seen it time and time again. When the price is on a downtrend, you can see how we get kind of these bumps downs. And they don't seem like a lot of big bumps, but I mean that is a 13% move from the highs to the low. So very nice idea here. So if we look at it, AMC has been just consolidating for a very long time. We could be in this range here, right? Look at this range here on the weekly candle. You've just been in here. But we're also starting to see this EMA 20 become the bottom band. So once we start seeing that, I say within a week, we can get this to be the bottom because you can see everything's curling up. You have the EMA 5 crossing the 10, the 20 being the bottom. And so what I would like to do is if price comes back down, you can see right here, it came very close to this 20. It was at 477. And if I was looking at this, yeah, this would have been a very nice buy. But I probably wouldn't have got it because it just quite missed these two here. So for EMA 10 and 20 is the buy zone here. This is right here where you would buy it, and you can clearly see we are having a nice solid uptrend here. You can draw your trend line here. It's looking very beautiful. We have higher lows coming in on the weekly, and it's everything is switching up. So I'm starting to use the weekly because it seems to give better signals. If you guys know my strategy and see me do this a lot, the weekly is going to give you more. Longer term approach, not like miserably long term, like you have to wait months, but like in a week, 2 weeks, and even a month, you should know that you're in the right side of the trade. Like this is a beginning trade, and this should be going up and making new highs. So right here, you're clearly above the EMA 20, quite a bit above it. Obviously, since GME was going, you can see on AMC, this thing had a nice move from 483 from the lows all the way up to 556, a 15% run. Very nice. And then even on the lower time frame, you see how you might ask, well, what's this red band here? Well, basically that's my upper Keltner channel. It's customized to be extreme. So if price goes there, usually what happens is price goes down. So even on the lower time frame, price will revert to the mean. That's the purpose of this strategy. Price will go back to the EMA 5, 10, 20, and to a T on a lower time frame, we hit it and we go up some. So that's what I'm looking for on a stronger, more. Since I'm swing trading, I'm going to look at a weekly candle and see when we hit that. So price is above the EMA 20. I'm looking for a candle to come close to that EMA 10 and 20. And you can see how the EMA 20, the 10 is trying to cross over the 20. So this is extremely bullish. We have a nice trend line here. And then this is the daily candle here too. You can see how the daily, we have a nice solid uptrend. The bands are going away. And you can see right here, we're bouncing on this 10. So we got very close to this 20 here, but like I said, this is starting to swift upwards. And you can see on a lower time frame from the weekly, there's no doubt about this is definitely an uptrend from here, okay? Yeah, no doubt about it. Yeah, the higher highs happening from here, and it's just going quite up, right? So this is my analysis. I'm very bullish. I don't see anything alarming. We're starting to see, the weekly show a nice signal, and that's what I'm going to base my trade off of. The daily shows a nice uptrend. Any bounce back down to the 4. And keep in mind, this is going to come up, so I can't give it like a really buys, you'll have to be in the Discord if I do alert this, but I'm looking at 470 is a very nice buy area. So, we got very close to it. We're about 6 cents off from it, from this 470 area, which is about a 1% more move I wanted down. So barely missed it. And where would I look to target? Well, definitely I want to see break this area here. This is going to be resistance, right? That's the highest where it just plummeted down, right? And then your next target would obviously be somewhere in this range. But I think if you get a pullback and you get to where these EMAs are and then price comes back up to here, that's a 30% gain or 26%. So that's not bad, right? And then obviously your stop loss would be under this. So you're risking about probably 3% to make that that kind of returns. So I do think this is a very great stock. I think AMC and GME are very good together. I'll be watching this one on a pullback. And what I like to do, if you're on Webull, all you have to do is hit right click on your chart, go to create alert, and say below this. So you don't have to look at this chart at all. So when price goes below this into your area where you wanted it, you'll get alerted. And so I don't even have to look at AMC every day. I know I have an alert that this is where I would like to buy it in this area. It doesn't have to be exact, and then I will get alerted for that. So I hope this video helps, guys. If you guys want to join the premium Discord, click the link down below in the YouTube comments below, and in the description it'll say join the premium Discord for my alerts and system. This is how I follow the trend. I also have a trend reversal strategy. But once you come on in, all you have to do is hit day trade alerts, and you'll get access to all the memberships, day trades, and swing trades for an all-time low cost of only $12 a month. You don't have to worry about anything. I will sift through all these stocks, find you guys a high value play that I think is the best, and when you join, you'll get notified on newly updated systems. You'll get notified on the alerts. You have a community, and then more eyes the better. But if you hit server shop too, you can say the 2 memberships. If you just want swing trading, that's $6. If you want both, it's $12. And like I said, you'll get access to everything if you're a member of the Day and Swing Trading Plus. And if you do subscribe, try to do it on your computer. It is cheaper. It's more affordable because you avoid the iOS fee. And then you'll get access to all this, like I said. And then I also do live streams. I've been starting to do live streams because a lot of people want to see me real time doing this. So I'll go through the screeners. And if you're a member, you can watch me live. That's just part of the perks here. But like I said, AMC is very bullish. I don't see any reason to be bearish on this. I mean, look at this beautiful weekly candle here. We're coming off from here. We have these nice little wicks making a higher lows here. We're kind of breaking out right here. You see we broke out of this right here, this high here. And like I said, the sky is the limit, right? So I would love a pullback to get me in. I have my alert set, so when this happens, so we'll see from there, guys. So happy trading, guys. I hope to see you in the Discord. Give this video a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next one.